The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero. If it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would be the temperature at midnight? Solution. The temperature at 12 noon is equal to 10 degrees Celsius. Rate of decrease in the temperature is equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature in 12 hours, that is from 12 noon to midnight, is equal to 12 into minus 2 degree Celsius is equal to minus 24 degree Celsius. Therefore, the temperature at midnight is equal to, already up to 12 noon 10 degrees Celsius is there. 10 degrees Celsius plus minus 24 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 14 degree Celsius. Temperature difference between 10 degrees Celsius and minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 10 degrees Celsius minus of minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 18 degree Celsius. Therefore, the time at which the temperature would be minus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to 18 divided by 2, that is equal to 9 pm. Next example. An elevator descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. If the descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach minus 350 meter? Solution. Change in position of the elevator in 1 minute is equal to minus 6 meter. Distance moved by the elevator above the ground level is equal to 10 meter. Distance moved by the elevator below the ground level is equal to 350 meter. We are talking about the distance. Therefore, total distance moved by the elevator is equal to 10 meter plus 350 meter is equal to 360 meter. Therefore, time taken by the elevator to reach minus 350 meter is equal to distance divided by speed is equal to 360 meter divided by 6 meter per minute. This is equal to 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Next question. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting any question. First one, Radhika scored 20 marks if she was got 12 correct answers. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Solution. Marks given for every correct answer is equal to plus 3. Marks given for every incorrect answer is equal to -2, and marks given for not attempting any question is equal to 0. Radhika's total score is equal to 20. Marks given for correct answers is equal to 12 into 3 is equal to 36. Therefore, marks given for incorrect answers is equal to total marks minus marks given for correct answers, that is equal to minus 16. Therefore, number of incorrect answers is equal to minus 16 divided by minus 2 is equal to 8. Second one, Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. Though she has got 7 correct answers, how many questions has she attempted incorrectly? Solution. Mohini's total score is equal to minus 5. Marks given for correct answers is equal to 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Therefore, marks given for incorrect answers is equal to total marks minus marks scored for correct answer, that is equal to minus 26. Therefore, number of incorrect answers is equal to minus 26 divided by minus 2 is equal to 13 because minus sign will get cancels. Next question. Find the product using suitable properties. First one, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Solution. (26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36 is equal to minus 48 into 26. We can use a commutative property here, plus minus 48 into minus 36. Let us keep as it is. This is equal to minus 48 into 26 plus minus 36. We can write by using distributive property, that is A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C equal to minus 48 into minus 36 plus 26, that is minus 10. Minus into minus plus 48 into 10, 480. B. 8 into 53 into minus 125. Solution. 8 into 53 into minus 125 is equal to 53 into 8 you can write, or these two numbers you can interchange. So it is yours. 53 into 8 into minus 125. So what we did? We have used commutative property, that is A into B is equal to B into A we have used. This is equal to 53 into 8 into minus 125, that is minus 1000 is equal to minus 53,000. C. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. Solution. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10 is equal to, when you consider these two numbers product as one number and this 15 is another number, we can use commutative property here, that is minus 25 into minus 4 into 15 into minus 10, we can write it as it is. This is equal to product of these two numbers, that is 100, into product of 15 into minus 10, that is minus 150, is equal to minus 15,000. D. Minus 41 into 102. Solution. Minus 41 into 102 can be written as minus 41 into 100 plus 2. Now we can use a distributive property. That is minus 41 into 100 plus minus 41 into 2 is equal to minus 4100 plus minus 82 is equal to minus 4182. E. 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Solution. 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65 is equal to 625 into minus 35 can be written as minus 625 into 35. Instead of taking a minus sign to 35, we can take to 625 plus minus 625 into 65 we can write as it is. This is equal to, here we can use distributive property, minus 625 into bracket 35 plus 65 is equal to minus 625 into 100 is equal to minus 62,500. H. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57. Solution. Minus 57 into minus 19 plus 57 is equal to minus 57 into minus 19 can be written as 57 into 19. When you multiply these two numbers, you are going to get a product positive. Plus this 57 can be written as 57 into 1, because if you multiply any number by 1, you will get the same number. Now we can use a distributive property. 57 into 19 plus 1 is equal to 57 into 20 is equal to 1140.